Hello. Good afternoon. Yan, live na tayo. Hello. Live na tayo pero tinatawagan pa lang natin yung guest natin. Hello po sa mga nag-join. Good evening. A blessed Sunday evening. No answer yung guest natin. Ayan, baka magjo-join na siya. Daddy Vince, where are you? Sana makapag-share ako kasi hello po sa inyong lahat. Live now. Na-post pa. Yes! Ayun. Ayan na si Daddy Vince. Hello! Hi, Daddy Vince! We're live actually. Live na tayo.
Okay,
Share,
hello.
share muna natin sila sa ano.
Okay.
I...
Sige na,
Share
tuloy-tuloy
to
na.
group. Sharing to groups. So more can watch and join us this Sunday evening. Kamusta weather dyan sa'yo? Sa
Okay lang.
Thailand? Di umuulan? Di pa
Ayun,
umuulan?
Hindi naman. It's, everything today is nice.
Oh, Happy Father's Day!
Salamat. Happy Father's Day to you too. To you. Ang sumasalong.
Oo. Kaya nga, deserve ko ang Father's
single,
Day.
single mom Father's
Correct.
Day.
Yes, tama.
Kamusta ka?
All good, all good. Sobrang excited dahil nung June 1 to pero na-move now. And so super excited to have you as ano and your story with Noah.
Yeah, boba pa lang. Ito, wait lang.
Sige, mag-meet ka muna kung may ganap pa dyan. Nag-share pa
Okay lang.
naman ako. Okay lang.
Okay
Kailangan
lang.
may...
Hindi, ano naman to. Masaya naman siya today. So,
Eh, happy, happy. Lumabas ba kayo today?
hindi.
Ay, okay.
Hindi.
Chillax
Dito
lang sa
lang.
house.
Dito lang.
Yeah.
Mamaya,
Ayan.
pagkatapos ito, lalabas kami.
Yes, dinner. Hi, Mami Lee. Happy Father's Day daw sa'yo, sabi ni Mami Lee. Thank
Hi,
you so
Mami
much.
Lee.
Pa-share naman sa
Hello.
mga groups and pa-share sa mga FB niyo para
Yeah.
maraming mag-join sa atin for this
So,
afternoon.
nahihiya
Ay,
ako, hindi ako
evening
sanay.
pala. Ay, wish So, eto naka-line up po ang ating mga events. So, from this Sunday hanggang sa last Sunday of the month. So, dire-diretso. Awesome Minds, A-team for next week. Ilagay ko na nga yung slides natin. Ay, Happy Father's Day muna. Ayan pala yung next na slide ko. Pagbati po sa mga awesome dads natin. Happy Father's Day sa lahat po na nagsi-celebrate. Nasa ang sulok man kayo ng mundo sa mga Pilipino po. And ito, i-ano ko lang, share ko lang to kasi nga, yun nakita ko yung post mo, grabe parang 100 plus yung mga react doon sa post mo. Kasi grabe
Grabe
naman,
na, kagalit.
grabe naman talaga yun, yung sitwasyon na yun. So, ano pa, push pa natin yung ating advocacy and yung ginagawa natin sa community to spread awareness, ayan, shed a light para sa mas marami, maabot pa yung mas marami kung paano yung proper response and knowledge talaga sa mga ganong situations.
Correct.
Tapos, yay! Ito ang ating awesome minds. We're gonna learn and get to know Noah. Awesome Noah. And the events of Milo Speech Pad. Meron na pa bang next? Eh, yun pala yung next. Ito yung next natin. For next Sunday po, i-announce ko lang, all about sleep naman siya. This is the part 2 of OT Paula's free talk. So, all about sleep disturbances, sleep hygiene, lalo na marami po sa mga kids yung nagsastruggle sa sleeping patterns and sleep cycles nila. So, hoping you can join us for next Sunday at 5 p.m. Mas maaga po, but Sunday still at FB Live po. So, sana maka-join kayo. And on the last Sunday naman po, we're gonna have Miss Marian, my friend, my good friend Marian, to share with us another valuable topic of her interest kasi isa rin po siyang financial advisor. So, something related sa ano, sa mga moms and sa mga awesome families natin and how that could be helpful for them. Hi, Worthy! Hi, Teacher Shane! Hi, Miss Shane! Hello sa inyo, shoutout ko kayo. Ay, ayan, may pa-first reveal na ng picture. Daddy Vince,
Yes.
pogi mo dito ah. Anong year ka? Anong year to?
So, mga 7 years ago yan.
7 years ago. Ang
I
cute.
know.
Ilang taon dito sino? Months lang to, no?
Months.
Wala pa tong 1 year
Months pa
old.
lang yan. Kakalabas lang yan.
Okay, simulan mo na yung kwento mo, Daddy Vince. Kamusta ba? Let our audience get to know your awesome story.
So, itong panahon na to, hindi pa naman yan alam. So, actually, we're not even alarmed up until 2 years old. Uh, Naano lang kami na we were advised na we had to have like around 50 words by age 2. It was actually a test by the pedia namin before kami endorsed dun sa sa DevPed. But during that time, I think, yeah, pinractice namin siya. So, binilang namin yung words. Uh, Tinuruan namin siya ng letters, words, which he can say. Uh, Pero nung ano na siya sa pedia, tinanong siya, "Hey, what's your name? Where's mommy? Where's daddy?" Gano'n.
Mhm.
Wala. So, lahat ng pinractice namin wala. Yun. Tapos, si Dr. Yu told us during that time na parang, we need to go to a DepEd na kasi she's suspecting na autism and speech delay. So, ayun. Tapos, the feeling during that time was anger. Hindi ako galit ako.
Mhm.
Naninisi ako ng mga tao, sinisisi ko yung sarili ko during that time. Uh, yeah, it was quite a hard time. It was same as with other parents. For a couple of weeks, hindi namin tinatanggap eh. Yan, ito,
Mhm.
he was growing already. Magtataka kami kung bakit for haircuts, it was always a challenge. So, sumiiyak lagi. We never realized it.
Mhm.
So, ayun, when he was diagnosed, alam mo na yung storya nun, we tried to find the DevPeed, hirap yung reservation process, hirap maghanap ng available time, took us years to get, which now we're fortunate na we're happy with our uh, doctors for NOAA. At age 4, he was still not yet non-speaking pa rin siya eh.
Mhm. Nang
Tapos
4, no?
nakarinig,
Tama? 4 years old.
yeah, yeah, nakarinig kami ng mama papa na around 4-ish.
Mhm.
So yun, nauna yung nauna yung dog.
Naunang
Tapos
matawag yung dog.
tapos cat, tapos I think daddy, tapos sumunod yung mommy.
Mhm.
So this is Noah now. He's huge. He's
Last
8
year
years
lang to,
old.
no? Last year Christmas,
Last year lang to.
2024.
Yes. He's 8 years old now. Sabi ng doktor namin ang size niya pang 11 years old. Tambuhala.
Ah.
But he's making conversations now. Not direct conversations, but for example, uh, I wanna play Minecraft, ganon. Look, it's amazing, Steve, ganon. So yun
Mhm.
yung mga conversations na ginagawa niya. Finally, nakakuha kami ng activity na ginagawa namin pareho, which
Oh,
is
ano yan?
Minecraft. Naglalaro kami ng games. Ako, naglalaro din ako
Bonding
ng
nyo, no?
Minecraft.
Bonding
Oo.
nyo.
Tapos, yun, inuubos niya yung mga gamit ko kapag kapag namamatay yung character. But, uh, alam mo yun, yung dati yung you really can't find an activity together na nagtitinginan kayo tapos sumasaya kayo and all. But now nakita namin kasi parang he's tech savvy. He can easily play games. He can easily learn sa mga tablets. But it is controlled pa rin ang timing.
Mhm. Mhm.
Uh, he is a gestalt learner. Uh, so, marami siyang phrases. And movies, yung isa sa mga nagbe-build ng vocabulary niya, apart from yung ginagawa nga namin activity, si Milo malaking tulong sa amin talaga kasi nabibuild niya yung ano yung 'di ba yung vocabulary niya, yung mga words
Yeah.
niya uh to yung ang pinaka nagamit niya before yung puro I don't like.
Ah.
Tapos nabago namin yun, ngayon para meron ng I like to eat, alam mo yun, ang hirap kasi na puro I don't like eh. Kasi lahat na
Mhm.
sabi mo I don't like. So sabi namin
Oo.
sa kanya parang, oh you have to tell us what you like.
Mhm.
So nung nabago yung yung conversation na what I like na, what he likes na, ano na, parang I like ice cream, I like I like et cetera. Malaking growth pa rin. Ito, this one, yung Hulk,
Mhm.
siguro meron natin sa mga 12 pirasong Hulk.
Oh.
Lahat ng klase ng Hulk gusto niya.
Oo.
I
Cars, 'di ba? Into cars din siya, 'di ba? Cars.
dati Cars, dati
Oh.
Lightning McQueen. Tapos, natutunan siya manood ng Avengers.
Mhm.
So when he learned how to watch Avengers, nagulat ako sa out of all the characters, ang nagustuhan niya si Hulk.
Mhm.
So, but now, for example, movie. Ngayon,
Mhm.
umihilig na yan ng movie. I want to watch Minecraft. Ganun, kahit wala sa
Oo.
plano.
Oo,
Tigil
sasabihin
ang
lang.
mundo, nanood kami ng movie. Ganun. Tapos, nung nakita niya yung Minecraft, we were surprised. He was familiar with it.
Mhm.
Kahit hindi siya naglalaro, nakikita niya siguro. Pero, he was familiar with it. To a point na yung Minecraft na binili namin siya ng Minecraft parang 2 years ago, hindi niya nilalaro. Pero pag uwi ng bahay, nilalaro na niya.
Mhm.
So, ayun siya. Tapos, ang mabigat kasi is same as with any other parent, we've experienced yung mga naranasan ng mga mas batang magulang, yung mga mas batang na mga awesome uh, kids. But again, makikita mo lahat ng post ko sa community natin na it gets better.
Yes.
It gets
I hope.
better. Yeah, consistency, it gets better. Kahit manood ka pa ng mga videos ng YouTube, is importante talaga uh, yung tinuturo sa'yo tama. I mean, mamaya, kanina nag-practice kami. Sino pinakagusto mong teacher, magugulat. Sana nanonood dito yung paborito niyang teacher. Ah,
Nanonood, oo, si Teacher War, 'di ba?
oo, sana nanonood.
Nandito.
To a point na nagulat kami parang we had some therapists before na playful, na very jolly. Tapos nagulat kami si Teacher Worthy na gustuhan niya na medyo strict.
Mhm.
Oh, so up until now, hindi siya sinusumpong pag kay Teacher Worthy. Pero ano naman, for example, pinush talaga namin siya na mag-school na.
Mhm.
Sped class siya last year. Ang tataas naman ang mga exams niya,
Grades.
grades niya. Tapos, ngayon, mag-ano na siya, mag-mainstream na siya.
Oh, that's so great to hear.
Kaya lang,
Oh,
kailangan daw ng shadow teacher. Ang mahal ng shadow teacher, di ba?
yes.
15K siya.
Yes.
Pero
Per
anyway, wala
month.
naman ganito lang naman yung
Is it
reklamo.
the
But
same school? Is it the same school? No, a different school. Same.
same school. Kaya, uh, out of all the schools na pinuntahan namin, iilan lang sila talaga na tumanggap sa amin.
Mhm.
So, talagang super thankful kami sa mga tumanggap sa amin. I understand na malaking usapan sa community natin ngayon yung pangtanggap sa
Yeah,
mga
inclusion.
di
Yeah.
ba, admission. Part of me as a parent, part of us as a parent, naiinis kami. Kasi
Mm-hmm.
bakit di mo tanggap, di
Yes.
ba? But part of us also understands na, kasi hindi nga kaya.
Mm-hmm.
Pag kinakausap mo yung mga teachers talaga from the schools, yung pang GENER, hindi ganun ka-train sa SPED. Yung
Mm-hmm.
iba, nakausap ko, from GenEd, pinapag-train sila ng SPED, pero walang additional bayad.
Mm-hmm.
Additional responsibility lang. So, but
True.
anyway, ang ano lang kasi is, for example, ang isang class, tumatanggap ng isa, dalawa. So, ibig sabihin sa buong Metro Manila, kung meron 200 school, dalang, 200 batang may autismo lang yung makakapag-aral.
Mm-hmm. Paano yung iba, di
So,
ba?
paano yung iba? Anyway, those are the problems that we experience. And despite na marami na natutulungan si Milo, na-experience pa rin namin ng family ko yun.
Mm-hmm.
Na-experience pa rin ni Noah yun. But we're very thankful talaga na unang-una yung community natin, ang laking tulong.
Mm-hmm.
So, teka, kasi dito
Sorry,
tinatawag
ah.
ko na si Noah.
Sige,
So, alam mo
sige.
yun? But yeah, anyway, going back, let's talk about happy
Nandyan ba
stories.
siya? Si
Andito siya,
Noah.
diba? Busy kasi
Hi,
naglalaro eh.
Noah. Ay, naglalaro.
Pero,
Hello,
yan.
say hi, Noah.
Si Joy.
Hello. So nice to see you. So
Ayun.
big talaga. Pang 11 talaga.
Are you
Yung
done?
size.
Are you done na agad?
Yeah.
I say, hey,
Say
teacher
hi to
working,
Teacher Worthy. Teacher Worthy is word.
watching.
Oh, yeah. Say hi to
Mahigpit.
Teacher.
Nakangiti. Teacher working is watching here.
Yes, because we're sharing your story.
Ako, teacher working. Hi, teacher working. I don't like. What I don't like? Are you busy ba? Oh, teacher. Mama, come here. This is Teacher Joy. Teacher Joy
Hello.
would ask you some questions. If you answer
Yes.
questions, I would get you something, whatever you want. Okay? Okay?
Can we do that,
Uy,
Noah?
let's go. Ayan.
Okay. So here is my first question.
Mm.
Um, Let me read to you, Noah. Can you, ay wait, si Mami and si Daddy nga pala muna, tapos pipili siya, no? Or kaya niya ba? Kasi what is your favorite toy, Noah? Or something that you'd like to play with?
Noah, what is your favorite toy?
What's your favorite toy?
What? Louder, please.
Say it louder. Come on. What's your favorite toy?
You can answer if you want, Noah. What's your favorite toy?
Ang cute ng face.
What's your favorite toy?
What?
Is this your favorite toy?
Yeah.
Ay, oo.
Oh,
Who's that?
pati pala sa shirt.
Okay, let me ask you. Which do you like best? Lightning McQueen, Incredible Hulk, or Minecraft? Huh? McQueen. You like McQueen. Okay.
Aha. Yun yung una niya, no? Sa ni Lightning
Yes.
McQueen.
Yun yung
Unang
pinaka-una niya na
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 nagustuhan talaga.
paborito. Tama ba? Ay, di pala. Coco pala pinaka-una niya daw.
Okay,
Coco?
relax.
Oo. Ay,
Coco.
yeah.
Are you done? Not yet.
Not with that.
How about in food, Noah? What do you like to eat,
Oh,
Noah?
no.
If we're gonna order for today.
Oh, ano ba yun? We're asking lang. Teacher Joy is asking us, what food do you like? Do you like?
Noah, what food do you like?
Sorry sa mga nanonood, but
Okay
it's
lang.
okay.
Yeah.
Can you tell that? Come here.
Amen.
Noah, can you tell Dad what food you like? Noah?
Kami.
What food do
Let's
you
get you the
think
food.
about this food?
Ah, you want to sit there? You want to sit? You want to stand up? Yes or no? That is stand up. Sit here. Okay.
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food now?
Different choices.
Uh, okay. I'll ask ka. What's your favorite food? Do you like Jollibee, McDonald's, or White Bun?
What? Oh,
You like White Bun? What's the White Bun? So yung White Bun is ano yan sa Tim Ho Wan,
Saan?
third,
yung custard,
third field.
Oh,
custard filled na ano na bun.
naban.
No, can you relax? Relax.
It's okay, Noah. Yes. How about here's my next one. So we already know the white anong tawag niya doon? White bun?
Yeah,
White
you
bun.
think. It's just interview.
Yes.
It's interview.
How
You
about
don't
I
like?
what?
don't like it.
You don't like?
I don't like it.
I don't
Oh,
like
you
it,
don't like?
sabi
Can
niya.
I can I can I show you the camera? Oh yeah. Oh, is that better?
Okay.
No thanks.
Ang cute, no
Nahihiya.
thanks.
The next
No thanks.
I finish now.
Finish na. Pero anong napansin mo na mas gusto niyang ginagawa with Mommy Nikki and yung sa'yo naman, activities that he likes to do with you? Of course,
Okay.
Minecraft. Bukod doon.
What do you what activities do you like? What seat works do you like together with mommy? Hmm.
No.
You know? You don't want to answer talaga?
You don't like secret? Of course. What do you like to do with mommy at night? What do you like to do at night? You, Noah, what do you like to do with mom? Huh? I don't like to play anymore. No, we're what do you mean you don't like? What do you what do you like to do before we sleep? What's your favorite thing to do before we sleep? Noah, 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 what's your favorite thing to do before we sleep? Huh?
Do you play game or do you read the book?
Okay.
Review.
Before you sleep? I finished.
Are you finished? Uh, in a bit. We're gonna be finished in a bit.
I finished.
In a bit. Wait for it. You don't like it already. Okay, we're not gonna force you. Okay.
Yeah. Pero is it book? They do with Mommy
No,
Nikki, read a
boys,
book.
no.
No, it's broken. Okay.
Don't make it up.
Yun ba ginagawa nila ni Mommy Nikki?
So, part of our activity sa gabi kasi, malaki improvement to sa kanya. So, you would see right now, he's like this, but it's fine.
Mhm.
Uh, he has improved significantly sa side namin. But at night kasi si Mami, tuloy-tuloy yan. Pag time for sleep na, babasahan siya ng book. So,
Mhm.
signal na yun sa kanya na matutulog na siya. So,
Oo.
kahit na, for example, naglalaro pa yan ng games, naglalaro pa yan ng Minecraft and all, pag sinabi na parang, read the book na, siya na magpapatay ng lahat nun.
Mhm.
Oh,
Parang yun na yung start ng sleep routine, ano? Read a
yeah.
book with
Forget.
Mommy.
Oh, tapos kapag nakakalimutan namin, sabi niya, can you read the book? Ganun.
Oo. Siya yung
So,
mag-remind.
yeah. So, etong,
Sleep ka na.
that's yours, di ba? That's you. What's that?
Yee,
Oh,
with Red Hawk.
oh, si Sir Broken, di ba? Oh, so you like reading book with mommy, right? How about with daddy? You like Chop Slap? Or you like Minecraft? Okay, sige. It's fine, it's fine. Okay na. You wanna sit down there, it's fine.
Yeah, you're free. Tapos sa'yo, Minecraft usually. Other than Minecraft, anong usually ginagawa niyo together?
Uh, we tried going out dati, pero ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya. So, homebody si Noah, no?
Yeah, we tried, Kidzuna. Kidzuna.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Gusto
he
niya
likes
sa
Kidzuna.
Kidzuna.
He likes, Noah, what do you think you like pa? You like Kidzuna? You like swimming?
What's swimming?
You like it? Yeah. What else? We
Wait,
tried, huh?
sorry, wait.
Wait. Okay.
Stop.
Uy, who's that?
Look,
Wow.
look, this is the first time that we met Noah, oh, with Kuya
Oh,
Abe and Machi and Ryla. Do you remember?
remember that?
Do you remember in Tagaytay?
Yeah, that's my
And then
last
it
time with the
rained.
rain.
Do you remember it rained? After, medyo rainy weather tayo dyan. Ang laki ng difference, no? Tinan mo naman siya dito. Babying baby.
Oh,
Si Machi, ang cute. Ay,
I
shoutout
know.
natin. Nandyan si, nanonood si Mommy
No
Dims and
way.
si, Inay Brents. Shoutout sa inyo. Hi, Teacher Meggy! Mga nag-join sa atin. Nakakatuwa. Sa Tagaytay to. Oh, ito. Look,
Uy,
Noah.
Saan ka naman?
yeah, it's
Saan
got
to?
to.
Finance.
Do you remember this?
Ay,
Where's
finance.
this?
We're almost done. Okay, sige. Okay, ano? No more camera. Okay.
No more camera,
Ang, ang,
sinabi talaga.
ang, ang, ang linya sa akin, are you finished? Are you finished?
Ay, doon pa siya, doon pa siya.
Saan
Doon pa
tong
siya.
mall
No way.
Okay, it's
na
okay, it's okay.
nag-posing siya?
Oh, you post here with Captain America, right?
Sa Mega Mall ba to?
This is in Podium.
Oh, podium. Look
Yeah,
at you,
right.
oh.
Richard Joy. Uy, it's just... Uy, what's his name? Ano name ito, Nick? Nung kasama niya na, ano?
Ang cute pa ng haircut niya dito, ng style.
Ay, forgot na.
Yeah, let's proceed with this, ano? Na nasama si yung picture niya with other kids.
Ah,
Like.
look at you, oh.
So,
Na-realize ko, ang dami pala nating mga pictures dun sa group. Doon ko nga to
I
pinagkukuha
know.
eh. Halloween to, di ba? Look at you, Noah, oh. What are you dressed
Oh,
as?
what was that? What is that?
What is that?
Do you remember that? I finished. I finished.
Okay, we're gonna be done in a bit, okay? Okay?
Nakakatawa siya dito. At ang dami niyang nahakot award dito, no? Napuno niya tong purple bag niya.
Yeah, pero alam mo ba, funny thing,
Hmm.
he never eats candy.
Oh,
Zero candy.
nakiki-join lang talaga siya dun sa ano.
Oh, pero yung pagkatapos namin mag-trick or treat sa kanya, lahat ng candies na nakukuha niya, pinapamigay niya. So, sa mga kapitbahay, wala siya yung ice cream. Look, oh, you remember this? When I went to Canada last year, and you hugged me?
Paalis ka ba nito?
Oo, ano yan, paalis ata ako dyan.
Oo.
Yeah,
That's his birthday.
birthday pa rin niya.
It's a school weekend.
Oh, look, what is
No,
done?
I remember this. I saw you with
Hanggang siyang
your,
galit ka.
kaya nga eh, I saw you in Trinoma.
Okay.
Sabi niya, sino ba to? Ito ka picture, ambush picture, ang galit na
I
galit.
know.
How about this one? What are you eating here? You're so cute. Oh, you're eating by yourself.
Boy, can you relax? Can you relax? Please, can you relax? Can you relax?
Pasta. You don't want to eat pasta today?
Pasta.
Okay, hindi
How,
ko Pilipino. Hindi ko siya Pilipino. Hindi magkano sa akin. Oh,
all right. How
that's your
about you
favorite pala.
here? You remember this?
No way.
No.
No.
No way.
No way, that's teacher orange.
Oh,
Not yet. No, no.
how about this? Ang ganda siya nag-ayos nung nasa likod nito, no?
Yeah, maayos siya ng toys. Saka ano
Okay,
lahat.
oh.
Kasi
There's
namin all those
usual.
things, right?
Do you remember yourself here? You're taking a pose, showing your toys.
Yeah, so, and, where's that?
May sakit ba siya dito nung nag-check up kayo?
Hindi, ano to, standards na DevPit session yan.
Oh.
But, it will go sa time na, na half yan eh. Kasi hindi pa siya nakaka-follow na anything. Pero now he can significantly
Mm-hmm.
do a lot of stuff.
Oo.
So, yun lang, for the ones who are watching. Uh, conversational, not yet. Pero yung wants and needs, kaya tapos may konting fun na, may konting na ayan, so comments about things na parang, uy, that's very nice. Yeah, so
Mhm.
those are the things na ano. Ang pinaka-wish talaga namin, look, oh, daddy did that haircut to you?
Yeah,
I got
sabi
your
ko nga
hair
lahat
right?
ng batang Pilipino may ganyan talaga.
Oh
Dumaan
my
talaga lahat ng batang
Oh,
gosh.
Pilipino.
almost finished.
No.
What do you want to do ba? What do you
Gusto
want to
nang
do?
lumabas. Labas na daw kayo.
What do you want to do? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
What do you want to do, Noah? Daddy said.
You want to swim now?
Where will we swim? Where? Bells now.
And there's your school. You just graduated,
Yay,
Right now.
congratulations.
right?
Right now.
Yeah.
How about this one? Do
Oh,
you
you
remember
breathe.
this, Noah?
Breathe.
No.
Nakakatawa yung ano niya,
No.
pag-organize niya talaga sa toys niya on the table, oh.
Forward si Joyce. Yes.
Ayos na ayos siya. Hanggang ngayon ba, nag-i-inhaler pa siya?
That was pag may sakit siya.
Hmm.
Pag may
Ay, ano
asthma.
pala to? Nebulizer pala.
Nebulizer.
Mhm. Oh, there's you, Noah. Hello. And Kuya
Yeah.
Abe. And there's Machi. Do you remember? Napapost natin siya dito eh.
So yeah, this is how we usually are. Uh, needs and wants, gano'n. Conversation, wala pa. Yeah, yan ang
Nakakatuwa.
ginagawa pa namin ng paraan with Teacher Worthy. But
Yeah.
he has grown a lot significantly from during those times, no?
Kahit yung ano no, meltdown or pag naa-upset siya, it
Yeah.
gets better ano. Sobrang mas
Ito nga,
manageable.
actually, siguro kaya ito nainis kasi naglalaro siya sa taas eh. Mas bumaba siya. Ikaw, Minecraft siya. Pero it's fine, tingnan mo. Nakahawak siya sa kamay ko ngayon. But
Oo.
he's trying to
Remove na, please.
remove na.
Okay.
You wanna go up na?
Huh?
Ay, si Babay to Teacher Joy.
Thank
Bye-bye,
you.
teacher.
Thank you.
For
You
yourself.
can play your
Say bye-bye.
Minecraft na.
Say bye-bye.
Mhm.
Bye-bye to you.
Bye.
Thank
Okay,
you,
good.
Noah. Thank you for joining
You're
us this
welcome.
Remove.
evening. Oh, you can play na.
Okay, remove na. Okay, go.
Remove na,
You
please.
can go na. Pero
No?
ang galing
Yes,
kasi may
okay.
ganyan na siya eh, oh. Yung, tapos
Not
even
every
if upset
time.
siya,
Okay.
Yeah.
kahit pa paano, nandyan siya. Hindi siya totally talagang nagwawala. Unlike yung before na iyak talaga siya. Super, super, ano siya.
Yeah, so during that, yung before kasi, lahat talaga no. Lahat ayaw. Even sa doctor, hindi. Yung masasabi yan ni Teacher Word yan before. Uh, but eto kasi, he can say what he wants na. Like, sabi niya, are you done now?
Mhm.
Diba? You wanna go up, gano'n. So, but before, wala talaga ganun eh. Diba?
Mhm.
It's an improvement.
True.
It's a big improvement for us. It's for our lives also. Malaking malaking changes to,
Mhm.
'di ba? Even from before. But I always wish kapag nakita ko, for example, sila Abe,
Mhm.
sila Hero, 'di ba? Yun yung mga sa akin personally na idol ko eh. Now, not comparing to,
Mhm.
pero syempre, if you want to, alam mo yun, at least pag mag 10 years old siya, 'di ba? Kasi he has some sort of words na eh. May mga sentence, may
True.
phrases na eh, 'di ba?
True.
So, ayun siya. Though, again, we also need to manage yung emotions
Mhm.
and at the same time kung, what do you call that? Kung gusto pa nila or ayaw. But for me, bumaba siya dito, okay na ako doon. Di
Totoo.
ba?
Tsaka nagsagot siya. Yun nga din eh, kasi kung usual na before yan, like if kung babalikan mo siya, he would already be crying and talagang malakas na may luha na upset na siya. Pero
Mm.
even if it was uneasy for him siguro or uncomfortable, kita mo na he was able to stay. Nandyan siya within the area. Tapos looking at some of his pictures.
Yeah. Tapos she was interested with the photos, di ba?
True. Oo, nare-recognize niya yung sarili niya.
Yeah.
True.
Mga pinanggalingan, it's a long, long journey for us, I think. Wala pa, pero hopefully. Ako, teacher, ang tanong ko sa'yo, na-experience mo ba yung ganitong level now? Tapos kapag umabot siya ng mga yung bata, for example, ng 10, 12 years, it has significantly improved to a point na, for example, uh, conversation na sila, alam mo na yun, parang
Mm.
they can cope up with life na nakakita ka na ba na gano'n?
Yeah, yeah. Alam mo, actually, may isa akong i-invite sana na story din. They started with me, parang 3 or 4 din yung kid na yun. Tapos, ano pa, sa taga Cavite sila, umiiyak yung nanay kasi ABA pa lang yung meron sila nun. Tapos, ano, tawag dito, sinabihan na sila ng doktor na parang magpa 5 na yata kasi siya. Basta ganun, nasa 3 to 4 siya, turning 5, ganyan. Tapos parang wala pa siyang words at all. Ni isa, wala pa talaga. Puro sounds lang, babbling, jargon, crying, mga ganun pala. Tapos parang medyo wina-warning na sila na baka hindi na makakapagsalita. Tapos I met with them, nag-home service ako sa kanila ng twice a week. Ganyan. So from Las Piñas, taga Las Piñas ako noon, to Cavite. So, tina-travel ko siya. Tapos, nakakatuwa yung journey nila kasi from wala talagang salita, yung bata na yun, nasa ano na siya life skills group na siya. Binata na siya, 14? 14 years old na siya. Tapos, independent, nakakasalita. Medyo may pagka-introvert, meaning, hindi siya yung parang medyo shy type. Pero he can, yun, sentences, kaya nang mag-engage ng conversation sa family, other people. Sobrang nakakatuwa pag nababalikan ko yung mga post ni Mami kasi nga they started with me na wala talaga tapos talagang si Mami sobrang parang devastated na kasi parang yun na yung sinasabi sa kanila parang ihanda na nila yung sarili nila na baka hindi na makakapagsalita yung anak nila back then. So sobrang laki nung progress and change na para din siyang miracle pero hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi ko ginagrab yung credit ako yun. It's really a cumulative effort kasi ang galing mag-follow up ni Mami. May OT siya, may speech siya, tapos may school placement siya, may ABA siya. Everything worked out talaga together to help him. Tapos may mga tantrums din siya before. Even, ang nangyari kasi noon, after nung home namin, siguro mga naka-home service kami ng mga more than 1 year, 1.5 to 2 years. Tapos ang sumunod, sila na lang yung sumunod sa akin sa kliniko sa Las Piñas. So, nag-stop na kami mag-home, sila na lang pumupunta sa clinic. Nung ano pa yun I stopped there kasi 2016 eh. Pero nung nag-stop na kami, parang sinowa na rin siya. May mga, ano na rin siya, may mga functional words na rin siya, nakakapagsabi na siya ng paunti-unti, parang ganyan. Tapos yun, nakakatuwa makabalik sa mga clients na, yun nga, pag binabalik ko yung mga clients ko from before na ganyan na sila. Medyo marami actually. Meron din ako na from dun sa same sa Las Piñas na sa Perpetual yun, University of Perpetual Health na binata na rin ngayon. So ako, I take time to connect with yun nga old clients ko nung mga bata pa sila. Tapos ngayon, kasi ayun nga para siyang parang full circle. Parang nakakatuwa na naging part ka ng journey. Tapos okay na sila ngayon, nasa school na sila, they're doing well. Gives you inspiration talaga na nakakatuwa. With the support of parents talaga and the therapy talaga, mataas talaga yung chances.
Alam mo, isa pa kasi naisip namin, parang, is it really, for example, when is the right time, for example, to go AAC?
Mm.
Diba? Kasi it's a lot of people are saying na parang once kasi na nag-AAC ka, hindi na sila, na parang tatamarin na sila magsalita. Where in fact, hindi siya ganon.
Exactly.
Kasi it's actually a support, di ba? They
Exactly.
learn more words,
True.
they learn
True.
how to make more conversations. So, but for us, we're asking parang, ako personally, I haven't even asked uh, teacher-worthy this eh. Parang kailan ba natin i-consider even yung AAC?
Mm.
Kasi same as with before, parang, yeah, kinakabahan ako na bakit hindi siya magsalita eh.
Mm.
Pero, for some naman, AAC works wonders, di ba? Parang
True,
another
exactly.
mode of conversation,
Mm.
tapos mas nag-grow nila. Kumbaga, meron silang digital placards, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Na pwedeng gamitin. Anong tingin mo doon, teacher?
To be honest kasi, yung AAC, para siyang maraming myths and maraming parang stigma, parang gano'n I would say, or parang yun pa rin yung nasa old thinking pa rin na yan, tamang-tama ka, exact words, Daddy Vince. Tatama rin na siyang magsalita kasi meron na siyang something parang pipiliin niya yung easy way out. Pero yung difference kasi, ang daming benefits ng AAC kasi one of it is natatanggal yung pressure. Kasi most of them, they have the concept, yung knowledge, yung idea, nasa mind nila yun eh. Hindi lang ganun kadali for their brains um, to retrieve and then be able to say it pwedeng dahil meron silang mga motor planning challenges or yung fact na kailangang maalala ko yung word tapos sabihin ko yung word ang tagal nun para sa kanila. Pero kung meron ka kasing AAC, and familiar sila doon, kapag nag-match na sa brain nila yung concept, tapos alam nila kung nasaan, it gets easier for them to communicate exactly at that point. Yun yung nawawala, yung pressure. Nawawala doon yung hirap na hindi ko maalala anong word yun, pero nakita ko dito sa picture, ito yung gusto ko na food or ito kasi yung gusto kong puntahan. And dahil picture nga siya, pwede siya kahit sa mga hindi pa readers. Nare-recognize lang nila kung anong kino-convey nung concept dun sa AAC na nasa head naman nila pero hindi lang ganun pa kadali yung pag-retrieve ng words. So kung tutuusin, marami talagang benefits si AAC kasi natitrain siya dun sa organization ng concepts, tapos mas nagiging madali sa kanila yun nga, yung access to the ideas that they have na hindi ganun kadali pagdating sa expressive output nila. Pero agree din ako sa iyo na marami nga yung ganun, parang balot siya ng fear na kasi tatama rin kasi yun na lang yung gagawin niya, hindi na siya magsasalita. But yun nga, it works wonders kasi inaalis niya yung pressure. Parang sinasabi natin na we can communicate now nang walang pressure. Kung hindi pa ganun kadali yung pag-retrieve mo, ito yung tool. Tutulungan niya tayo, i-assist niya tayo na hanapin mo siya dito, tapos sasabihin mo, edi mas madali niyang na-communicate. So, parang mas nagiging habitual yung ay pwede ko palang sabihin ng may ease. Tapos dahil nga mas nagiging confident siya dun sa ganun, makikita mo naman the child would also do imitation, they would try to say what they hear. Katulad yan, tinan mo sino, di ba? Are you done? Yung concept niya nung are you done is kasi nga gusto niya na matapos, kasi nga may gagawin siya, gusto na niya mag-exit, pero yun lang yung lagi niyang nasasabi, are you done? Are we done? Are you almost done? Mga ganun yung mga tanong niya, di ba? So, nagagawa na niya, meron mga very parang specific na mga scripts na nasa kanya na alam niyang effective yon. Magagamit ko agad yon to express what I want. Pero medyo general pa siya na marami.
Yeah. Totoo yung scripts kasi kapag lang scripts pa rin naman yung makikita mo yung ano, di ba? Yung sinasabi niya kanina. Parang
Yeah.
Ayodan, uh, ano ba yung sinabi niya kanina? Ano pa yung sinabi niya
No
kanina?
thanks. May no thanks akong narinig.
No
No
thanks,
thanks.
no thanks, ganun.
Ah.
So those types of words, ha?
From the movies, lines from
Oh, nice from the movies. Marami siya kanina ano eh sa Minecraft. Pero I was also wondering, for example, no? Kasi si ginawa namin, 'di ba, kay Milo. Patuloy-tuloy yung follow through eh. 'Di
Mhm.
ba? So ngayon nag-grow siya doon. Kaya ano kaya yung next steps now? I mean, sa amin kasi we uh, nag-resonate sa amin mag-asawa dati na parang hindi nga pwede na i-asa lang sa speech therapist lahat.
Mhm.
So for us talaga kasi parang we really need to follow through at home. Kaya yung sa amin, I mean, if we didn't do that before, up until yung Makati sa likod ng anak ko, hindi niya masasabi. Up until yung, di ba, yung gusto niyang shirt, hindi niya mapipili.
Mhm.
But, imagining it na parang he can say na what he wants, na parang I like this shirt, I like the Hulk shirt, di ba? Even pagpanik sa taas, sabi niya, can I remove this now? Gusto magpambahay. Pagbaba
Oo.
dito, nakapambahay na siya.
hindi lang
So,
siya pipili ng suot niya.
yeah. Even yung pagpili ng suot niya sa iyo ngayon, siya rin pumili ng lahat ng yun. So, alam mo yun, parang those types of small things for some other, for neurotypicals, they would understand. But for us, it's years natin ginawa yun, di ba? Years yan, ano. Yun,
True.
ngayon, yung ano, pag matutulog yun sa gabi, when we remove the diaper, nag-umpisa, alam ko problema natin lahat yun,
Correct. Potty
yung
training.
wiwiwi sa bed, di ba?
Yeah.
Ngayon, dasal, di ba? Ngayon, dati, nung nag-umpisa, tinanggal namin diaper, pati ako basa. Pero, oo, kasi mamalaki ako, di ba? So, pag
Ah,
nag-uwi siya, sa akin na pupunta lahat eh, kasi
ah,
pumapagar yung ano eh, yung tama eh. So, ano mo yun? But now, gigising yan ng madaling araw, mag-uwi siya, 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Alam mo
mhm.
yun? So, imagine, alam mo yun, parang ang question namin dati, hanggang teenager kaya siya mag-diaper?
Oo.
Or hanggang 10? No, hindi na.
Oo.
Di ba? O,
True.
there are times na parang mag-isip na bababa sa baba, kahit walang tao. Tapos he will go back again, hindi na natakot. Alam mo yun?
Oo. Totoo. And yun nga, when you shared to us na sobrang galing niya dun sa mga activities sa school, ang tataas ng grades, 'di ba? Parang isipin mo ba yun sa isang Noah na madalas umiyak lang, na parang laging galit or naiinis nung, 'di ba? Nung mga simula ninyo. Parang would you imagine na ang dami niya palang alam, na-follow
Yeah.
through niya yung activities,
Yeah,
kayang-kaya
so
niya
sabi
palang
ni Mami,
gawin.
sa school daw, nakatingin lang daw talaga siya. Pero alam niya.
Mhm.
Nakatulala alam, nakikinig pala.
True.
So, but again, if we really look at, kasi pag ang hilig ko sa naman na personal na ginagawa, tinatranslate ko siya in a way na madaling maintindihan. So ngayon, kunwari ganyan, ang iniisip ko, sa isip niya, for example, yun yung computer, tapos, hindi lang nakakonect yung mouse niya with speaker na maayos.
Mhm.
Yung
Mhm.
wiring is hindi lang masyadong kailangan pang ayusin pa, di ba? So when we look at it that way, parang, okay, let's try to work things out kung ano yung mga best uh, words for kasi dati, sa totoo lang, madami sa atin naiinggit eh. Yung sa mga
Mhm.
mababilis yung growth, di ba?
True.
Mababilis yung development. Pero hindi. Ano ba yan? Simple growth, simple improvement sa
Thanks.
mga anak natin, malaking bagay talaga eh.
True.
So now, for example, uh, okay, panik siya. Ngayon, pag panik ka, maglalaro na naman kami nun.
Mhm.
Diba? So holiday ngayon, same as with any other kids, kapag
True.
holiday, gusto nila magsaya, di ba?
Totoo.
Di ba?
Bonding.
So, alam mo yun, may games na siya and all. Dati wala talaga.
Mhm.
And I would know, I'm sure lahat na nakikinig ngayon, yung ganitong play, nasa isip ko, ginagawa ni Mami. two
Mhm.
hours ang ganyan na ganyan, 3 hours.
Oo. Mhm.
Di ba? So for
True.
those who are there na bata pa, okay, huwag niyo sila papagalitan yung ginagawa yan.
True.
You
True.
even use this to try to connect to them.
Totoo, Daddy.
Pain.
Exactly.
Di ba? Kasi ang isa sa sakit namin dati, pinapagalitan namin siya. Bakit? Kasi ang play natin ganito.
Mhm.
What's telling us na ganito is wrong play?
True. True.
And it's play. Play is, there's no right or wrong in play. Di ba?
Totoo.
So yun, mga speech therapist nagtuturo sa amin yan. Kaya dati nagagalit kami na parang, oh, you have to play it like this.
Yeah,
Daddy has to
exactly.
conform. No, hindi
Uh-uh.
ganun, di ba? Parang, but
Totoo.
of course, we need to introduce to him the proper way to play.
Mhm. Mhm.
Di ba? Na, alam mo yun, this is how you play, it's fine. But this is also okay.
Yeah, true.
Di
True.
ba? Hindi yan mali eh. So, alam mo yun,
Totoo.
alam mo yun, parang, sa nakikita mo, Teacher Joy, na parang, yeah, lining up toys. Di ba? Lining up
Totoo.
toys, huwag mo sisirain. You
Mhm.
can make a conversation out of it, right?
Exactly, Daddy.
Di
Ang
ba?
ganda ng sinasabi mo. Totoo.
Diba? Kasi parang dati magsisimula tayo na, hindi, sirain mo. Kasi para mawala, ma-break yung habit, hindi kaya. Lagi kong sinasabi sa mga parents to, na, okay, pumunta ka sa office mo, sirain ko lahat ng gamit mo, magagalit ka sa akin, hindi. Di ba? Nakaset ka
True.
na lahat ka, naguguloy ko yan, magagalit ka sa akin, hindi. Same as with the
Mm-mm.
child. Tapos hindi pa siya
True.
makapagsalita, di ba? Kaya ano
Exactly.
mag-aaway.
Totoo.
But, if you go there and try to understand, since tayo naman nakakaintindi, na the way he plays is lining up toys, it's fine. It's just a phase.
Mm-mm.
Now, hindi na siya nag-line up ng toys. Though malinis pa rin sa laruan niya, nakapila pa rin lahat. Dapat nakagano, nakadiretso.
Mm-mm.
But it's
Mm-mm.
fine, skip. Di ba?
Totoo. Pero
Kaya
ang galing
ako,
daddy kasi yung kahit ikaw tinan mo yung admission mo na before you used to be a parent like that na parang o mali yan hindi dapat ganyan 'di ba yung kinokontra mo kumbaga kung paano yung exploration niya and even I as a therapist continuous yung learning I just listened to a podcast na about play conference na yun talaga pinapatotohanan niya na all play is valid parang lang emotions all emotions 'di ba kasi yung emotions takot na takot tayo bawal magalit bawal ma-upset, bawal ganyan. Pero emotions and play, valid sila whatever it
hindi.
looks like and whatever form it is. May tendency lang tayo as a society na magdikta na ito dapat yung tama, neurotypical way lang yung dapat, ganito lang yung specific way ng pag-express
Yeah.
mo or pag-explore mo. Pero kung tutuusin, yun yung sinabi mo nga, wag sawayin kung nagla-line up, kung nagsispin, kasi nga they process and they perceive things differently. So kung sa'yo, nakikita mo lang siya nag-iikot, maaring sa kanya iba-ibang angle, iba-ibang texture, yung speed, yun napaprocess niya kasi ibang level sila mag-process
Yeah.
ng stimulus. 'Di ba? Pa sa atin nakikita lang natin sila sa typical person. Nakikita mo lang siya na nag-iikot lang siya nag-iikot. Pero pwede sa isang autistic person, ang dami niyang napaprocess doon sa feeling, sa bilis, sa sound, lahat na hindi natin
No.
napaperceive. 'Di ba?
Tapos, Teacher Joy, alam mo kung paano nabago lahat to, yung
Mhm.
perspective namin. Remember, naglalaro sila na gano'n, di ba?
Mhm. Mm.
Ginagawa nila, hindi maigi,
Yeah.
gano'n.
Oo.
Alam mo, there was one time na parang dati that's not how you play a toy car, gano'n, no? Lalo na bata siya. Alam mo, one time, pinitsuran ko yung macro, yung gulong.
Mhm.
Pinakita ko sa kanya, sumiti siya. Tapos may isip ko na parang, grabe, pinapagalitan ko yung anak ko dahil tumitingin lang siya sa magandang pattern ng gulong. Di ba?
True.
So,
Totoo.
tapos ngayon, lahat, we try to understand kasi hindi nga siya makasalita. Eh, sinong best para makaintindi sa kanya? Eh, di tayo. Kinakaintindi, di ba?
True.
Oh, naiinis siya, nag-iingay siya, ganyan, etc. etc. Hahanapin mo ngayon, mainit ba? Ayaw ba niya
True.
yung damit? Tapos tanongin
Mhm.
mo siya, is it hot?
Mhm.
Tapos dali mo sa malamig, mawawala. Are you hungry? Tapos with any other child, ganun din naman eh. Kapag anak mo
Totoo.
gutom, mawawala. Kapag anak mo
Mhm.
nainitan, di ba, masusumpungin, di ba?
Mhm.
Pero isa rin sa na-realize namin na we also don't need to bottle up our emotion as parents.
Mhm.
Di ba? Si mami, dati, nag-ano kami, nagka-clash kami kapag, for example, pinipigilan ko siya magalit.
Mhm.
Pero now, if she expresses herself na parang, no one naman, gato, 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 it's also part of his learning eh.
Totoo.
Kasi nga we cannot shelter him naman up until, di ba? So sa amin, for example, right now, kunwari, naglalaro ko ng Minecraft, tapos
Mhm.
pinakailaman niya account ko,
Mhm.
tapos nawala lahat ng gamit ko. Kasi yung activity namin, di ba? I will tell him,
Oo.
no one naman, why did you get to, where are my things? Can I get my things? Ganito, ganito. Tapos sabi niya, oh no, I'm sorry. Kaya siya. So, alam mo yun, parang, that's also not wrong, di ba? But
True.
he also gets to understand na huwag niya na pakialaman yung game ko. Di ba? Ano sabihin ko,
True.
di ba?
True.
So,
True.
but, pero alam mo ba, hindi mawawala sa isip ng awesome parents talaga na parang pag to nakipagkwentuhan na, di ba?
Mhm.
Problem solved na tayo, no?
Pero tama ka kasi a long way na rin talaga 'di ba? Yung mga gano'n
Sobra.
nga yung small oo. Kaya dapat totoo talaga na yun nga sa mga bawat parents, sa bawat storya nila, yung parang maliit lang na bagay sa you don't know how far it took for that family or for that child to achieve that. So if they celebrate it, 'di ba? Hindi mo siya dapat na parang i-downplay or hindi mo siya pwedeng sabihin na
Yeah,
anong oo. Kasi you don't know the story behind it eh kung gaano katagal ano yung efforts nila before they finally witness such
yeah.
yun nga, a skill or an experience together, 'di ba?
Even as a person, we grow. Remember kanina, nung gano'n siya, na parang dati mainis kami ng mag-asawa. But now, itindihin mo, kagaya na kanina ng bata pala, gusto lang niya maglaro ulit. Di
True,
ba?
true.
Eh ngayon, sila ng best siya nagsabi, for example, na I don't like na parang, are you done? Are you done? Eh, di ba? Okay, we could. So, okay, wait lang, tapusin na natin to. But he needs that, di ba? He needs to
True.
at least manage that. But he was not going up and having tantrums, di ba? And he's
Totoo.
telling us na parang, are you done? Are you done?
Yeah.
Can I go
Totoo.
up? Di ba? Parang,
Mhm.
oh, which is great. Kasi at the same time, he's trying to manage those things.
Totoo.
Di ba?
Totoo, nakikita mo sa level niya and may communication
Oo.
involved.
Oo. So, si Teacher Kay nga, napapagalitan din ako eh. Pag sinasabi ko non-verbal, sabi niya, Vince, ang non-verbal, hindi dapat non-verbal. It's non-speaking na. Okay,
True, true,
non-speaking. Kasi there are other forms of communication.
true.
And a simple uh, emotion na sinasabi nila, pinapakita nila, is also a type of communication, di ba?
Exactly.
So,
Totoo.
and, so, ayun, yun yung mga natututunan na namin as parents with that.
Mhm.
But, for some people siguro when they see kanina, yung progress ni Noah,
Mhm.
remember years ago, no words, zero
Totoo.
words.
Tapos
Wala kaming mama at papa.
totoo. At madalas siyang ma-upset, parang
Oo.
konting ting lang, nako, nagkaka-meltdown na agad
Oo.
tayo. Tapos ang tagal
Oo,
niyang
na walang usap-usap.
ma-console.
'Di
Yeah,
ba? So, bakit for us, ilang bundok na natawid namin diyan, 'di ba?
exactly. Milestones, true,
At
and
ilang
achievement.
ilang ilang daan libo na yan, 'di ba? Parang, alam mo 'yun? So, but ito
Ang
lang,
galing
ang
din.
winner, 'di
Mhm.
ba? Ang
Yun.
galing, eh. Pero ang nakaka-wish ang wini-wish ko lang, hopefully there would be a point in time wherein everybody has access to you, to the
Mhm.
speech therapist.
Mhm.
Everybody has access to the properly trained, properly certified na mga experts.
Mhm.
Kasi, would you imagine, kapag walang intervention, there are some 14, 15,
True.
wala talagang words.
Mhm.
Di ba? Wala,
Or
tipin mo,
dependent. Totoo.
oo,
Umabot ng
super
gano'n na
dependent.
totally dependent. Yeah. Yung mga
Tipin
basic
mo,
skills, hygiene.
oo. Sipin mo parang teacher Joy, itong sinasabi ko lagi. Kunwari, ipatapon ka sa China, for example. Walang marunong mag-English. Hindi ka marunong mag-Chinese. On your first week, it's okay. On your second week, you get pissed. On your seventh year, malamang ano ka na nun, di ba?
Oo.
Babaliw-baliw ka na dyan. Isipin mo,
Totoo.
sasabihin mo sa kanila, I want to eat, I want to eat. Eh yung eat nila, ganito, chopstick. Di ba? Hindi kayo magkakarinig talaga.
Totoo.
Di ba?
Ang
So,
hirap.
anyway.
Yeah, basic needs ang hirap ma-meet. Alam mo, isa pa din, Daddy, talaga na natutuwa at saka na-appreciate ko is, yun nga yung pinakita nyo kanina that we're learning to respect yung preference nila. Yung katulad nga yung no, kasi diba, common sa culture natin that kids aren't allowed to say no. Or like, halimbawa, kung kain, kain lang. Pero you have to adjust din kasi. Alam mo, even sa household namin na kay Shan, napansin, kasi nga may tendency na like we eat as a family. So pag minsan hindi pa siya gutom or hindi siya morning person, ngayon natutuwa ako kasi even my parents nag-a-adjust sila to know na hindi breakfast and morning type of person yung bunso ko. So hindi rin siya like nung usual na kailangan sa morning may kinain ka or may something. Siya kaya niya yung kahit lalabas kami pero wala pa talaga siya totally kinakain. Kasi yun nga, you have to respect na may mga ganun kasi talaga, may mga preferences and you have to see na kaya naman or hindi naman siya yung tipong ginugutom. Kasi ang nangyayari kapag yung dati pinipilit, syempre sira na agad sa umpisa pa lang ng araw kasi pinipilit na pakainin siya tapos siya ayaw niya talagang kumain kahit ano pang i-offer mo sa kanya. Doon nagbabago yung dynamic. So katulad din kanina kay Noah, ayaw na niya, 'di ba? Parang na-reach na niya yung maximum niya. So, okay, okay, we're almost done. Tapos umakyat na siya, happy na siya. Pero he was able to tolerate a bit more than 30 minutes yun if I'm not mistaken. Na
Yeah.
nandyan siya. Na
Ma-
nag-sustain siya sa atin.
Teacher Joy, may nalaman kaming bago.
Hmm.
Si mami niya, tinuruan niya si Noah na ako yung tatawagin. So, paparik si Noah. Sabi mo kay daddy, makain na. Paparik si Noah. Dad, kain na. May accent pa. Kain na. May accent pa. Eh, hindi ako bababa.
Oo.
Ako yung, ako yung magpapasaway. So ako
Oo.
Dad, kain na. Kasi gulagawin niya, Dad, kain na. So baliktad. Tapos ngayon, pagbaba niya, kakain na siya. Di
Oo.
ba? So, iba yung kami tatawag sa kanya na si mami niya, gagawin lang yan. Bababa na yun. Alam mo, parang, yung wish namin na parang neurotypical na bata. Ganun din naman, di ba? Siya na yun, si mama niya parang, you tell your dad, kain na. So, dad, kain na, gano'n. Ngayon, si mama niya, tinuturo na siya magluto. Tinuturo na siya maghugas. Di,
Cute.
bisahan namin na, can you bring this to the lababo? Madali niya nun. Diba? Tapos, there was a time na parang tinuruan siya magluto. Hindi, parang those are activities na parang masaya. Diba? Pero, ano ba yun? Hindi pala talaga lahat academics. No?
Totoo. Totoo.
A lot of it is we're preparing them for life talaga.
Totoo. Life skill talaga, connection, life skill. And they would really show you the skills kapag feeling connected sila. And they feel seen and they feel heard. 'Di ba? Kaya it matters
Natandaan mo
talaga.
dati, Teacher Joy, nung initial na ginawa namin si Milo, puro academics, puro animals.
Concepts. Yeah.
Tapos sabi mo sa akin, baguhin mo to kasi
Ah.
ang kakailanganin niya, ituro kung saan niya masakit.
Mhm.
Ituro, ipuin kung saan niya makate. Di
Mhm.
ba? Ang kailangan niya, masabi niya, Mommy, Daddy, Itchy,
Functional, yeah. Foods that
functional.
he like, yeah.
Yeah. So
Things that he
alam mo yun,
does.
alam mo gano'ng na bago yung ano namin, yung approach namin yun? Kasi remember yung first part of the story, we look into animals.
True.
Di
Sabi
ba?
ko nga ang aga nyo sa animals, ang aga nyo sa mga different kinds of animals.
Di ba?
Oo.
Pero yung ano, uh, yung mommy and daddy, wala. Di ba? Yung itchy, wala. Yung ouchie, alam mo yung itchy at ouchie kung gaano ka-importante yun?
True.
To a
Diba?
point lang, itchy pala, kaya siya nagwawala. O di,
Oo.
sabihin niya pa, ouchie, pero alam mo, itchy yun. Pag
Oo.
umiiyak siya, tapos tumama yung paa niya, ouchie, ayun. Alam mo yung parang, oh, are you okay? Kasi dati, hindi po alam na nasaktan eh. Di ba?
Totoo.
Pero,
Iyak na lang.
iyak na lang. You know how it changed? And I hope yung mga videos ng mga parents na nagpapadala sa amin nung simple recommendation mo na yon,
Mhm.
ang laking bagay. Kaya, anyway. So, yun lang. Not everything is about academics for us parents. It should
True.
be life, di ba? It should be
That's
fun,
true. Mhm.
di ba? Same as with other kids. Huwag pahirapan masyado kapag di na pa
Mhm.
perfect, di ba?
Totoo.
But for us parents also, pwede naman din tayo mag-react, di ba? Tao din naman tayo, di ba?
Correct.
Kaysa
Totoo.
i-bottle up natin. Hindi mapapansin to, pero these are learnings na nakikita ko. Especially kapag si mama niya nag-interact kay Noah. Parang we start before that you have a certain standard. But do we really need to follow standard? Or do we really, so dati, ganun din, parang hindi pwede mag-react ng et cetera, di ba? Anyway,
Totoo.
so,
I think, alam mo, yung household nyo, talagang nakikita na you're all growing together. Hindi lang si Noah eh. Pero si Mami Nikki,
hindi
ikaw, yung
lang.
relationship, totoo. So that nakikita mo na sabay. Kasi ang hirap kapag halimbawa, which is I know, marami rin makaka-relate or maraming matatamaan na minsan kasi the parents will still have this, yun nga, sinabi mo, standard expectation. Tapos ina-expect nila yung bata, o ikaw, pinag-therapy ka na, dapat magbago ka na. Pero yung parents, eto pa rin yung expectation, eto pa rin sila sa paniniwala nila, sa behavior nila, sa response nila, hindi nagbabago. So that nakikita mo na ang tagal mag-work. Whereas kung kayo talaga, even the parents are adjusting, even the parents are learning, and with the child, everyone is growing together, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi, di ba, kayo ni Mami Nikki, you're not the same person as nung binigyan ng diagnosis si Noah.
Oo.
Di ba? Ang
Ang
layo ng
layo
mga
namin.
belief nyo, ng pag-iisip nyo, and all expectations, di ba? Sa kung ano kayo ni Mami Nikki ngayon, and paano
Mm,
kayo kay Noah. So,
mm.
yun talaga, key talaga
And
yung growth.
And it doesn't happen overnight, ha?
Mhm.
It's not perfect. For example, ganito ako magsalita ngayon. It doesn't mean na hindi ako nagagalit. It doesn't mean na hindi papasok sa lumaki ako sa pamilya may palo eh. 'Di ba? It doesn't mean na hindi ko wini-wish na parang, gusto kita paluin ngayon. Hindi, gusto ko pa rin. Alam mo yun, parang dumaan ako dun eh.
Oo,
Pero,
napalo
ang
ako
laking
eh.
system kasi is parang, hindi na lang gagawin yan.
Mhm.
Naggaling ako sa dati na mamalo ako ng bata siya.
Mhm.
Pero, alam mo yung na-realize ko na parang, makatilang pala yung likod niya, pinapalo ko pa. Ano mo yun? Parang, di ba? Na pag kumain lang pala siya ng pagkain na hindi niya gusto, parang tinutusok
Oo,
yung dila
bibig niya.
niya.
Oo.
Di ba? Hypersensitivity. Masakit na nga yung dila niya, papaluin ko pa. Di ba? Parang,
Mhm.
tapos yun, ba, it doesn't change overnight. Up until now we're learning, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. But I think we get to be better persons.
Mhm.
Di ba? Mas
True.
mahabang pasensya. Di ba? Kaya, alam mo, nung nakita ko yung, sorry to put this here, but nung nakita namin yung video nung independent, umaalis ng bahay, 25-year-old na pinaghirapan ng parents niya na matrain, magsalita, makipag-usap, sumakay ng bus. Sipin mo kung gaano kahaba tinuro sa kanya ng magulang yun. Tapos,
Mhm.
kukuryentehin lang,
Mhm.
bubugbugin lang. Alam mo yun?
True.
To a point na makikita mo na yung body language, tama na, ayaw ko na, ayaw ko na. People
True.
really need to be aware of it eh.
Totoo. Totoo.
Uh,
Tama ka
and
dyan.
it is hard enough to make people aware that this is hard for us. Pero ang challenge ngayon is bakit ang hirap paintindi lang maging mabait na lang kayo. Hindi
Sorry.
kailangan ng anything special.
Totoo.
Maging mabait lang kayo na parang, 'di ba? Kasi ang automatic sa even for Filipino, sasabihin pag may makita gano'n ay baliw.
Mhm. Mhm. Tama ka.
And then there's nothing, it's not their fault.
True.
We as a community, as a society, even, 'di ba? Ignorance eh. Hindi alam eh,
Mhm.
'di ba?
Totoo.
Lack
Totoo.
of knowledge. Pero alam mo 'yun, it just kagaya ng makaki, makakita ka ng, for example, pilay or ng handicap, you offer the handicap seat.
Mhm.
If you see something that is different, some maybe call it weird, i-register na lang sa isip natin na parang, alam mo 'yun, there
Mhm.
must be something different and be kind, 'di ba? Ngayon, kailangan mo intindihin pa yung neurotypical eh.
Mhm.
Anyway, sorry
Pero alam
nagpa-parenthesis
mo,
na
no, no, no,
naalala
no,
ko eh.
no. Pero alam mo, yun nga, within that experience din, parang naisip ko nga, yun talaga, parang all it takes is someone who knows and understand to not do anything. 'Di ba parang inisip mo, ang daming tao, public space yun, walang nag-intervene, walang, 'di ba? Nabugbog siya to that level ng walang umaawat or 'di
'Di
ba?
ba?
Yun na nga, walang nasaan? Parang kaya narealize naisip ko ulit yun nga yung thought na para magpatuloy yung masamang mga pangyayari or the bad things will continue kapag yung good people do nothing. Hindi ka nag-advocate, hindi ka nag-speak up, hindi
Wala,
ka
'di ba?
oo.
Isipin mo pa, isipin mo pa, ang sagot pa ng bus company, ginawa namin ang dapat. 'Di ba? Nangagat daw
Totoo.
kasi. So, kung nangagat, bakit? 'Di ba? And I think the story is not even buo. 'Di ba?
Totoo.
It's not
Totoo.
even, hindi yung mga gat unless sigawan mo, magalit ka sa kanya, saktan mo siya, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Eh, lugi yung bata eh. Lugi yung 25 years old eh. Hindi niya
Mhm.
makwento yung side niya.
Mhm.
Wala, non-speaking nga, 'di ba? Well, speaking na nga siya, 'di ba? Maganda na nga. Pero yung conversation niya is actually quite good yung conversation niya. Sabi mo, yellow pass, ganito, ganito, ganito. 'Di ba? Kinukwento niya, narrate niya. Alam mo yun? But as a society, we have to remember it doesn't take special extra effort of kindness eh. It's just
Mhm.
kindness by itself.
Totoo.
'Di ba? Hindi mo kailangan ng extra effort. Maging mabait ka lang, yun lang naman eh.
Mhm. Mhm.
Hindi mo nga kailangan intindihin eh. 'Di ba? Hindi mo basta There's something different, di ba? Alam mo
Totoo.
yun? I understand that this is supposedly a Father's Day story of
Okay
Noah.
lang. Yeah,
But
pero
I,
yeah, 'di ba
yeah,
we also touching yung society, yung mga nangyayari around us and why we do what we do. Ikaw, sobrang busy person mo. Sobrang happy ko na nag-yes ka kahit na ang dami mong ganap because you're trying to find ways to help more people, reach out more people. 'Di ba behind the scenes, you're working quietly 24/7 doon nga sa
24. Buti alam mo yung 24/7.
yun na nga, 24/7 na talaga. Yun na nga. Ay, nako. Pero yun nga,
Yes,
because yung aim mo is really to help more people. Hindi lang si Noah yung lagi mong iniisip. You're thinking of other people as well. 'Di ba? Yun yung nakakatuwa din dun sa community. And even like, yun nga yung sobrang natutuwa ko si Mami Dims. Alam natin kung gaano ka-toxic yung last na inorganize niya na ano, 'di ba, get together. But she does. I
grabe
mean,
yun.
yung stress niya dun sa Bulacan na naging successful. Like, these things na hindi naman tayo kumikita dun sa mga ganong efforts pero kasi alam natin why we do what we do, 'di ba? We want to reach out to more people, we want to help more people, lalo na yung mga financially di kaya or yung mag-improve man lang yung service delivery ng mga nasa government. Katulad ng ginawa ni Mami Dims na yun, di ba? That it's really to educate more people and to reach out to more social workers kung ano yung early childhood, di ba? And ganoon din si Inay Bren sa school nila, 'di ba? Sobrang pagod na niya ni Inay Brents, pero still she's doing things to improve the quality of care and early detection dun sa kanila. So nakakatuwa.
Siguro, Teacher Joy, let me express this. Alam mo yung una tayo nagkakilala lahat na parang biglang swak lahat.
Oo.
Alam mo, ilang years na ba? 2 years ago na yan, di ba? Almost.
2023, yes. Yeah,
Oo.
2023. June. Oh nga no, June yun eh.
Yun, something that we really need to, I really need to say is that hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin natin ang pagkakakitaan yung community. Di ba? Kung break even, ano minsan lugi pa. Di ba?
Mm.
Kasi for example, ang Milo, and, and you know how many kids we're helping out now? 94,000.
'Di ba?
Sinasabi ng iba, ang mahal ng charge namin. Gaano kadaming libre yung pinamimigay ko, sobrang dami.
Mm. Totoo.
Tapos,
For the
hindi
access.
pa, hindi pa natapos yun. Parang, from the initial app, nag-develop pa kami nung Speak Clinic nga, which is
Mhm.
connecting you, malapit na yun, lalabas na,
Mhm.
malapit na maayos talaga na maayos na maayos. It would connect you to the patients. Tapos hindi pa yun. Not everybody seeing this, but end of the year, 10 na yung apps na ilalabas namin. Meron ng sign
Mhm.
language, meron ng,
Wow.
so, sabi, parang, paano to nagawa ng isang tatay, di ba? For my side
Mhm.
ha,
Oo.
hindi nakikita ng mga tao. Sorry, nagiging
Totoo.
emotional ako. Hindi nakikita ng tao na si Mami Dimps is a
True.
stay-at-home mom,
Mhm.
arranging talks for hundreds of people because she wants
Totoo.
to push awareness.
Totoo.
Hindi nila nakikita na etong talks na ginagawa mo, lahat to libre. Di ba? Tapos, di ba,
Yeah.
papatil Zoom, naghahatian tayo, di ba? Pahiram
True.
ng Zoom, pahiram ng ganyan. Pi- Mami Breads by itself nagtuturo
Totoo,
sa
nagtitrain ng tao,
di ba, nag-train ng
totoo.
tao. Tapos nagtatrabaho pa as teacher sa school. So, alam mo yan, parang, and I actually hear it na parang, kailangan mag-accept ng schools ng ganto, 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 ganto. Tapos maalala ko si Mami Breads. Teka, awesome mom din siya. Tapos, mag-train siya ng colleagues niya.
Mhm.
Tapos, meron siyang neurotypical students. Tapos, kulang siya sa, di ba? Kulang siya sa
Resources.
resources. Tapos,
Mhm.
sasabihin mo pa siya na, dapat mo accept lahat yan.
Mhm.
Tapos, pag accept siya ng SPED students, wala rin siya extra pay.
Mhm.
Na parang,
True.
teka, ano
Training.
sila, superwoman? Di ba? And grabe
Oo.
na ang effort na ginagawa ng community. So anyway, I just wanted to mention that because, alam mo ba,
Mm.
mas dumadami ang gustong tumulong. Si Mami Lee, nagiging
Mhm.
mas active.
Totoo,
Dumadami
ang
ang
dali
mga
niyang
moms.
hilain pag
Di
hinihila
ba?
siya ni Mami Dims.
Di
Oo,
ba?
nagiging kalad-karen na siya sa mga
Di
ganap
ba?
at sa mga events. Shoutout natin
So,
yan si Mami Lee.
Di ba? So, alam mo yun. Tapos,
Oo,
ngayon,
Teacher MK, Teacher
Teacher
Mon, sila,
MK, Teacher
yeah,
Mon, Teacher
totoo. Sila
Al.
Sir Al, totoo.
Oo.
Teacher Kim, true. Si Sir
Oo.
Bren,
So,
totoo. Kita mo sa community, they correct, they guide, they contribute din talaga. At isa
kaya,
pa, if I can just shout out kasi nakaka-inspire kasi I get to meet sa community si Sleepy SLP, Sleepy SP pala. Teacher Nicole, I just saw her and she's making reels. Nakakatuwa kasi yun nga, nakikita mo na mas marami na nagtatry to provide content na free. Nakakatuwa. Kasi ayun nga yung isa pa na parang, younger generations of speech pathologists providing different modes or different kinds of assistance doon sa mga sa community natin. So nakakatuwa, nakaka-inspire. So sana mas marami pa na mag-put up ng content. And again, yun nga, ang laki nung market eh. So hindi mo sasabihin na competition or mag-aagawan. All of us want to provide information na helpful dun sa mga tao na has limited access to it. Yun talaga.
yes. And ang ending yan kasi talaga, it's not even about the market eh. We have to understand that it's about the kids. Di ba? Hindi hindi kayo mauubusan no, ng bata. Eh, the numbers tells us. Years
Mhm.
ago, it's 1 of 400.
Mhm.
Last year is 136, 1 of 36. Now
Mhm.
it's 1 of 29.
'Di ba?
Oh, paano kung nangyari yan, for example, di ba? 1 of 10
Mhm.
o 1 of 5
Totoo.
within the next few years. So,
Totoo.
hindi na to minority.
Mhm.
This would be the norm. Kasi
Mhm.
the uptrend of cases is rising
Totoo.
significant. So, sorry. Okay. So, si Daddy V, meron emotional na daddy for Noah, but I'm also a master's student. I'm also an entrepreneur. So, we would I also look at the data per se on the increased uptick, not only locally in the Philippines, but globally as well.
Mhm.
The challenge now that we have is we really have to open our mind as a society, and even for the Society of Speech Pathologists. Why? The growth of speech pathologists takes 4 years.
Mhm.
Every year you can have 20, 30, 40, even 100. But the growth of number of children, take note,
Needing.
only with
Yeah.
autism is by the hundreds of thousands.
Mhm.
So, ito yung autism, ito yung yung
Mhm.
pagganyan sa speech
Sa
language pathology.
speech. Yeah.
We're not even talking about the other cases pa.
Mhm.
Remember, kayo, ang mga superwoman, CP, di ba? Apraxia, di ba? Lahat
Yeah.
yun, sinaserve nyo. Even
Mhm.
adults na
True.
stroke
Stroke
patients.
clients. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So, saan kamay ng Diyos nyo kukunin yung, di ba? Yung effort para ma-serve yun? It's
Totoo.
really hard. That's why for me, I always see ito parang, how can I help in technology?
Mhm.
Di
True.
ba?
I-leverage natin with
Di
technology.
ba?
Eh,
So, yun
yeah.
lang naman. Di ba? So, and at the same time, you know this, hinihiling ko talaga na parang, hmm, i-correct mo ako, i-correct ako, Teacher K, itong
True.
gusto niyan. You have to do this way. Because, again, uh, tech ang namin, ang strength namin, but the goal here is to scale you. You have
Mhm.
to serve more.
Mhm.
At hindi kayo pagod. Di ba?
True.
Kasi pag pagod ka, alam mo, nai-imagine ko, na nag-serve ko, for example, lang 10 kids, back to
Mhm.
back to back to back to back. Then, ang normal na 10-hour na trabaho, isa sa computer ka, iisip ka. Ang trabaho nyo, emosyon nyo, yayakapin nyo kapag naging di ba?
True.
So, alam mo yun, it's not only mentally, you're mentally, emotionally, physically drained to a point na pag uwi mong bahay, yung anak mo ang hirap na, di ba? Kasi parang pagod ka na eh. Di ba?
Mhm.
At si
Mhm.
Teacher Joy lang, ang tinatawagan mong tao na, Daddy V, after 10 minutes, kasi may session pa ako. Kahit Sabado,
Natatawa.
kahit Linggo.
Natawa nga ako nun. Alam mo ha, would you have guessed we're already running 1 hour and 30 minutes. Tinan mo, sa dami na, sabi mo pa ka sa akin, isang oras lang naman ano. O, di ba?
Oo
Ang
nga
dami
eh.
nating napag-usapan.
Kasi
Grabe.
magdi-dinner pa kami dapat. Kaya lang, alam mo yun,
True.
kapag nandito
So,
pa si Mami Dims, tsaka si Mami Friends, tsaka yung
ay
mga
nako,
bagong
correct.
active natin ng mga mamshis. Oy, wait lang, shoutout pala sa sa DepEd.
Mm.
DepEd, especially the Special Inclusion Division, Sir Vic Danao and the team, are actively working on solutions. Workshops are happening, talks are
Nakakatuwa.
happening, di ba?
Mhm.
Ah, isa lang ang wini-wish ko sa kanila. Sana i-involve ang isa sa mga mamshis natin.
Totoo. I agree with the sentiments of Mommy Dims na
Di
parang sila
ba?
yung isa sa main stakeholders eh, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So,
Ikaw, either
your
ikaw,
experiences, oh,
oh, either PASP, either PSDBP, di ba? Kasi, I mean, hindi mahina ang community natin. We're 70,000 strong.
mhm.
Very active mamshis. Di ba?
True, true,
So,
true.
alam mo yun, and ibang perspective ng parents eh.
Mhm.
Parents of young children lalo.
Empowered parents,
Empowered
educated.
parents, ano, di ba? Di
Yeah,
ba?
totoo. Educated parents who advocate for themselves and for their kids' rights. Totoo
Yeah.
'yan.
But yeah,
Totoo.
sir, yung ever since pumasok si Angara, ay Diyos ko, very active sila. Very active.
Mhm. Totoo.
Sa,
Nakita ko rin yun, yung team of council nila. Nakita
yeah,
ko nga din yan. Yeah. So, Daddy Bean, sobrang, I appreciate your time. Alam ko sobrang busy mo. Sorry na hindi na kayo baka mamaya late na yung dinner nyo nila Nova for Father's Day. Pero sobrang insightful. So, thank you for sharing. Thank you for your time. Tsaka dun sa ginagawa mo na mas maraming hindi pa, hindi, katulad nito, nasa nasa backdrop pa yung, yung mga ganap mo eh. Pero pag once na shed ng light, I know more people will benefit from it, more families. So thank you so much. Any last words that you have, Daddy Vince?
okay. Last words. You saw our, hindi ko masyado sinishare si Noah as much. Some photos, some snippets of our life. But this conversation actually, you will see na, okay, it's not yet perfect. We're not aiming for perfection even.
Yes.
But what I'm gonna tell you right now is, ang layo na ng journey namin from
Mm-hmm.
2024.
Mm-hmm.
And for each and every parent who's listening right now, it would get better. It would not get better to the perfect nasa image ng isip niyo, but every milestone counts.
True.
From, for example, hand holding to just
Mm-hmm.
pointing, that's a big, ano na, no, parang kaganon niya dati, tapos tuturo na siya ng ganon,
Mm-hmm.
that's an
Mm-hmm.
achievement. From pointing to get, the simple word as get, or turn on, turn off, give, that's already an achievement. Tapos sasabihin pa niya na, can you get that? For us, that's a huge, huge development. Eto pa si Noah. I'm so sorry about that. Ganda na siya ngayon. Tapos, it, hindi pwedeng speech therapist lang ang gagawa ng lahat yan. Tsaka OT, occupational
Mm-hmm.
therapist. Team yan. Pati yung mga teacher kasama. Kaya,
Mm-hmm.
kung wala pa kayong IEP, kulitin yung mga teachers ninyo. Mag-meeting na kayo together
Correct.
with them. One
True.
conversation, malaking tulong yan. So, development, however small it may be for neurotypicals, for us, let's celebrate it.
Correct.
Hindi superwoman ang mga therapists natin. Di ba? So we have
True.
to really work our ass off also sa mga bahay natin para i-follow through ang sessions. It gets better. Hopefully, we get more support from the government. Hopefully, marinig tayo pa. Now, for the neurotypicals, please be kind lang.
Mm-hmm. True. Yun lang, no? Kindness talaga.
Yun lang, nothing else. Please be kind. Pag
Mm-hmm.
may nakita ka na nagtatantrums, huwag mo na naman na irapan pa. Kasi
Mm-hmm.
by itself, yung parents nun, nahihirapan na eh. Hindi naman because spoiled or anything. It's just part of the condition.
Yeah,
Diba? Anyway,
true.
ang dami ko ng pinipreach now. But baka
Pero
tumagal tayong
thank
2 oras.
you. Thank you so much. And gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, ayan, this will still be available for 30 days. Yung isang wino-workout ko, actually kaka-open ko lang today ng IG is ipa-plug ko siya. Pero hopefully yung mga iba kasi ililipat ko sa YouTube para hindi sayang since meron na si Meta na 30 days lang na ano. So, I'm gonna download and upload it sa YouTube para lahat ng mga events and pwedeng mabalikan. Yung mga gustong makapakinig ng story ninyo. So, thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-join.
Ay,
Thank you
Teacher
sa'yo.
Joy,
Mm.
last. So, ang Speak Clinic pala is lalabas na, andyan na siya actually sa App Store and Play Store. So, if I can invite also a speech therapist just to
Yes.
test it
Yes.
and see how it can be used.
Mhm.
Kasi ang goal talaga nito is to make you guys more accessible. At I always felt before yung difficulty for you to
Mhm.
market yourselves. Diba?
True
Diba?
lala. Correct.
So, it's a directory and it's an appointment setting and a virtual face-to-face
Galing.
application na pinaghirapan namin yan for years.
Mhm.
The Speak Clinic would be live. Hopefully, matest nyo
Exciting.
lang. Na, especially
Yes.
you na uh, speech therapist.
Thank you
Okay?
for that. I thank you din pala because just today, we already reached the 9,000 follower mark. Ang galing.
Sabi
Salamat
nga
po sa
ni
mga
Iron Man,
nagtitiwala.
I love you 9,000. Ay, 3,000 pala yun.
Salamat sa mga patuloy na nagtitiwala. And yun nga, again, we hope to provide more helpful, useful, informative content, 'di ba? Inspiring content. So thank you for giving us the inspirational awesome journey. Hindi madali, pero thank you for sharing yung and giving hope to other people. And ayan na nga, sabi ko nga po sa inyo, meron po akong kaka-open ko lang din ng IG ko kahit na hindi pa talaga ako marunong sa IG. I was just thinking na ma-double post na either kapag nagpo-post sa FB or sa IG, pwede naman silang dalawa and the events the monthly events or content that I try to produce. So, ayan, meron pa po sa next 2 Sundays, hopefully, ma-share or makapag-join in po kayo dun sa iba pang mga free FB Live events where you can learn, you can be inspired, and we can grow together. Ito po yung next week, which is all about sleep. So, kung may mga challenges po kayo sa sleep, please tune in with Oti Paula. Next Sunday na po yan. And sa last Sunday naman, it's going to be, wait, ayun na niya. Oo nga, last na pala yun. Yung isang sa RSL Peeps natin balikan. Ay, wait lang. Hindi ito. Hindi ko pala siya nalagay doon. It's with for RSL Peeps Collab. Yun po kasi yung last for the month on the 29th. It's going to be about Marian naman po, yung colleague ko po na mag-share sa atin. She's also a finance advisor. So, matututo tayo sa magiging topic of interest niya na i-share. Sana marami rin pong makatune in kasi bilang financial advisor siya, something to do with managing our finances and expenses. Yan. So, tune in. Yan po yung last two for this month. And oo nga, Daddy Vince, 2 years na since we first met. Tayo nila Mommy Dims at Inay.
I
So thankful
know.
for each and every one of you. Alam ko sobrang dami natin ganap pero lahat tayo may ginagawa na para makakontribute sa community. So I'm so proud of how far we've come. Yes. Thank
Okay?
you so much.
Bye,
Enjoy
everyone.
the
Thank you
rest
for
of your
listening.
evening. Have a good
Bye-bye.
evening po. Bye. Thank you, Daddy
Bye.
Vince. Happy Father's
Bye.
Day sa lahat.
Ikaw din. Happy Father, Mother Day to you.
Thank you.